Dr. Mithil, Pandit Munalal ji, Madam Jayalakshmi ji, Mr. Frank, welcome to India. This program which we have out here has a unique concept, and I'm sure the parents would agree with us, as well as our thought process behind this. बच्चों में जितना टैलेंट और जितना ज्ञान है, शायद पेरेंट्स इस चीज़ को समझ नहीं पाते जब तक वो अपने बच्चे को एक प्रोफेशनल लेवल पे एक स्टेज पे देखते हैं। तब उन्हें इतना एहसास होता है कि वाह, ये मेरे इन बच्चों में कितना ज्ञान और कितना हुनर है। It is primarily to explore this particular talent that we have this program every year, which is not the annual day of the school, but to give encouragement to these young stars, to the future of this country, who are actually taking up a cause of preservation of our rich heritage, cause of ensuring that what we have achieved over decades through our masters, through the great gurus, that learning continues. And I'm so grateful to our eminent personalities, our great artists out here, who have considered it most appropriate to be with them, to bless these kids. इतना संघर्ष आज की दुनिया में है कि बच्चा अपनी कोमलता, अपनी इनोसेंस सब कुछ भूल चुका है। शायद हमारा ये एक अटेम्प्ट है कि संगीत के ज़रिए और उनकी कला के ज़रिए उस इनोसेंस को, उस प्रभाव को, उस प्यार को हम दर्शित कर सकें और आपके सामने रखें। It has always been our endeavor to do everything best for the child, to expose him to the best of talent, to expose him to the best of education, which we can provide through our ability. We understand that there is a perpetual threat through technology. Technology is taking a toll on our systems. Technology is taking a toll on our bonding, on our affection, our love for each other. And I think these bright students shall probably be able to spread this message. And that message is the togetherness, the family, the rich Indian heritage and culture. I am so grateful to all the parents and all the distinguished guests out here who spare their valuable time. And there is one request which we wish to make, at least to the August gathering out here, the professors, the gurus, the teachers. As much as possible, spend a little time with your kids to inculcate this encouraging habit in them. I know it's difficult. Everyone, including me, we are so much engrossed in our daily mundane routine. Office work, and then home, and then we say we got no time. But these kids need something from us more than our money, more than anything else. That's our love, our time. Please spare, encourage them as much as possible. You don't know really, actually, one of them may lead this country to some sort of a vision for tomorrow. And they're just lovely souls. You have to touch them and see them. So I'm going to request all the parents out here, don't think ultimately the books or the school is the ultimate education for a child. I think it's a cumulative effect of putting music, sports, physical exercise and studies, everything together. I congratulate all the parents whose kids are performing today. They are with us and I really respect them a lot. From the core of my heart, I convey my sincere thanks to them. They have spent a lot of time for their young budding stars, and I'm sure our gurus out here will encourage them with their presence. And as a process which we have initiated in our school, that we're going to have these workshops through the gurus. They'll be meeting these students, conducting workshops, and ensuring जिस बच्चे में जो हुनर है वो किस खूबसूरती से आगे निकले. Thank you for being with us, and thank you kids, thank you for the lovely time you've been spending with us, and thank you for the lovely show in advance. Thank you all of you. கருள் செய்தவடி தவறாமல் பிள்ளை வந்து